Hey guys, this is Levgen and right now I'm in San Francisco. I'm gonna do here guest spot, so I will show you a little bit the city, tattoo shop where you're gonna stay, tell you some about conditions, and if you get more questions, feel free to ask them in comments. Now take some coffee and let's go. This time I decided to take hotel because apartment on Airbnb has been crazy expensive. I have no idea why, but they ask about like 2,000–3,000 for a week. It's too much. So this is the reason why I decided to choose this hotel. First one, it's outside of the city. It's around like 20–25 minutes by car to the shop and to the downtown as well. So, and it means that I'm gonna avoid traffic, I'm gonna avoid problem with parking. So parking here is completely for free, so this is perfect. Second thing is hotel costs around like $100 per night. So for San Francisco, it's pretty cheap. And third reason, this hotel is small, so it's really easy to keep it clean. And they clean in the room, cleaning service, they do it every day. And hotel really small, nice, cozy, and very clean. So two really cool reasons. I have balcony. Balcony is very important for me. I don't care about the view, but the option to have fresh air, it's really cool. And second reason, I can sleep on this bed, or I can sleep on this bed and change it every night. So guys, I'm going now to the most iconic restaurant in California. Please guess what it is. This is In and Out, the most iconic. On east side you have Five Guys, but it's completely different game. Much expensive, and I'm not sure that Five Guys is more delicious. It looks like this, pretty beautiful. So they don't have too many different options in menu, in classic menu. They have like burger, hamburger, cheeseburger, and double. So, but they have non-secret menu where you can order, for example, protein style burger. It means that burger without beans and only lettuce. It's more healthy, I guess. French fries with cheese, completely not healthy at all, and vanilla shake. Came out from Rumble boxing, so instead of classic gym I decided to go to boxing, you know, to keep myself in good shape and my body in athletic condition, kind of, you know, and have no problems with my back, because a lot of tattoo artists actually have problems with back because we have sitting type of job. Almost in every big city here in the United States you have Rumble boxing. It's kind of like a very light version of CrossFit plus boxing exercise. Really cool thing. Right now I'm in San Francisco. Shop also located like in the city, but little bit out of the downtown. So, and it's really nice location, hipsters, you know, more chill. A lot of guys on scooters, drink coffee, play soccer. So really nice area, not very busy. It's pretty easy to find parking. Let's go to the shop. I finished already with tattoo, and as usual right now around like 10 p.m. and I'm the last artist here in the shop. Here's the entrance, and you can see some plants, very beautiful and natural. Here you can see the corner for clients. one couch and another one. It's very beautiful. You can see two different green colors with some loft style. It looks very stylish. There is a fridge for some Coke, Sprite and water. Reception. Here's the main hall where everyone works. They have actually here the main hall, and they have also separate room for two more artists. 7 workstations, completely the same. Looks how beautiful it is when everything is the same, not like on a wild market. The same green chair for clients, for clients. The same chair for tattoo artists. The same chair. I can say that it's the best lamp. I guess no. I can say like not the best one, but I really like that it's with iPad holder. It's really cool, especially for today. The manager set up the station for you every morning. It's kind of like basic setup, but it's very comfortable. It's when you come to the shop, it's already here. Alcohol, green soap, some paper towels, tongue depressor, and here on the table you have, and workstation you have everything. Here's the separate room, what I talked about like a moment before. You can see it's really nice, also very stylish. Here is a corner with chair, mirror, palms. Kind of like a kitchen and space for tattoo artists. So you can see kitchen, fridge with coffee machine, with some snacks as well, microwave. Here the table where everyone can take a seat, work, draw stencil, print out, talk a little bit. And here also the location with printers, stencil printer and regular printer as well, small storage. And I really like this charge station where you can charge all of your devices, iPad, batteries, whatever. I really love this loft style location. It's really beautiful, high ceiling, I really like it. Look how huge it is. But here only one thing, there's only one AC for this huge location. And really cool thing about the shop, they have a huge projector, and during the day, this wall, there's a picture on the full wall with some animals, nature, waterfall, with different things. Really cool. Restroom, a spot where you can wash your hands. 2 storages, one and another one. And you can see everything is black and green. It's so stylish, really so cool. Here a lot of stuff inside. Everything what you need, you can find here. Black, 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 black. So beautiful. And small photo corner where you have light, another one light ring here in this photo corner. The full shop runs 2 girls, Kate and Nora. Nora is a tattoo artist. I'm gonna attach the link to her Instagram page here in the description. Kate is not a tattoo artist, but he is kind of like who managed the shop. Also, the link to the shop I'm gonna leave here. My guest spot is end and I'm ready to back home. 6 hours drive. But if you would like to get to know about something more specific about guest spots or tattoo conventions, just let me know here in comments. And in next episode, I will pay attention on it. Thank you so much and see you next time.